How to make your parrot quiet? Guys, there is not real structure how to make your parrot quiet, but there is a trick. There's a trick how to improve this little bit. Remember, your parrot behaves depending on surrounding. So if you are quiet, your parrot will be quieter. If you are loud and noisy, your parrot will be loud and noisy because he wants to adapt into environment, okay? So remember, quiet environment will make your parrot quiet. Loud and noisy environment will make your parrot noisy. Guys, subscribe to us, and we will very soon.